Hello guys, if this is the first time of tuning to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you've been here, thank you so much for sticking around. So for this tutorial you need a Swiss lace, scissors, your needle and thread, and that is it. I forgot to mention your tape as well. So you just have to mark 3 inches on that side. That's for the width, and another 3 inches. It's actually 2, but I'm using 3 because I'll be folding in the edges. Then from this other side I'm using 6.5 because I will also be folding in that edge of the lace. So just mark it out like so, fold it into 2 and cut off just to create that curved shape at that end. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the video. Everything is self-explanatory, and if you have any question, do ask. And guys, do not forget please to subscribe to my channel, okay, so I would be encouraged to post more videos. Okay, so if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy. Bye.